feel about a gay man getting to like
pregnant?
yeah.
I don't know.
Don't put that on video.
Something new.
We'll blur your face out.
Put like a smiley face over it.
No, we'll put it like a smiley rainbow face over it.
I don't like the rainbow. Look, I'm getting eaten alive. It's quicksand.
Okay, you guys.
Are you ready to come out?
Yeah, I think I'm ready to come out.
You're ready to come out? Oh my god!
Take your crotch out.
It's like you're dissecting her.
Did it take off your boob? Did that go like that?
Are you gonna run into the ocean now?
Yes. The stands on my hair.
She's stuck.
Oh, you were under the yellow gun. I thought it was under you all along. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Look, she made a mountain.
Run! You're free now!
I'm gonna like it.
Now we're gonna bury you next.
I want boobs. I want